She looked me dead in the eyes with that stare that I never seen, and said, I know you love me, but this music's your everything. And as that heavy stream came down like a rain and pouring guillotine, and I watched it kill me inside, I died. I swear I feel that scene almost every day. Hey, and that's why I rise early up with a sunrise, put my grind on a 9 to 5, come home and rhyme them lines in the night. Cause if I slow down, I get caught up. Ball on the boss who stopped me once, and I ain't trying to be on the other side of tomorrow, hollering out that clock won. So fuck that, these hands of time, I bust that. I handle mine, romanticized by bump tracks. Never really was a man of God. Now I count them hours, 16 bars of the minutes I slay. Time to watch me clocking in. Fuck watching this clock just tick away. So hey,
turn, turn, turn. Ain't got no more time, no. Turn.